Gabi ng Misteryo.
Uy, mga kamisteryo, very interesting yung ating discussion sa Gabi ng Misteryo this Saturday. And this will be about the latest development in the US, kung saan merong directive si US President Donald J. Trump na ilabas na yung mga record about UFOs, UAPs, alien life, extraterrestrial encounters. Ito yung matagal nang iniintay, matagal na itong inaabangan ng mga nasa UFO community, nasa alien encounter community. And of course, sa buong mundo, although hindi pa masyadong maingay sa mainstream media, although mayroon na rin tayo na monitor ng mga news, international news like sa, I think meron na rin sa CNN to, sandali, check ko nga sa CNN kung meron na. Ang nakita ko ay meron na itong ganitong balita sa France 24, yung isa sa mga sinusubaybayan nating international news in English, yung France 24. Tatry ko nga tingnan sa kasi ito, meron na ngang order si President Trump sa kanilang Department of Defense, especially sa Pentagon to, yung kanilang, actually, binago na niya, di ba? Hindi na siya Department of Defense, it's Department of War. Department of War. Kaya yung Secretary of War. Tingnan ko nga. Pinatos din ng Forbes, Meron na sa Forbes. Trump orders release of files on UFOs and aliens. Massey calls it a bid to distract from Epstein. Parang sinasabi na to. Kasi very controversial din yung issue ngayon about Epstein files. So, maaaring gustong i-divert, Anyway, Trump orders Pentagon, other U.S. agencies to release files on UFOs and aliens. France 24. Ito, may napakita ko itong mga ito. Diba? France 24. Ano pa ba yung Sky News? Lumabas din. Trump directs U.S. government to release files on alien and extraterrestrial life. Sky News. Ayan na. Another one is The Hill. The Hill. Trump says he will ask DOD to release files on UFOs, alien and extraterrestrial life. Marami na rin, The Sun. Nag-release din ng The Sun. The Sun. The Sun. Yan kita niya. Yan. Sandali na wala. Sandali na wala Okay. Ito. And The Sun. Trump orders release of all Pentagon UFO documents after Obama shared classified info when he admitted aliens were real. Mismo si dating US President Barack Obama ang nagsabi na totoo ang existence ng mga extraterrestrials, ng mga alien beings. Pero he also admitted na hindi pa siya nakakita. Yun ang kanyang kinaklarify. Pero I think maybe nakita na rin niya yung mga records and mga photos na talaga nag-exist ang extraterrestrials, di ba? So nagkakalabasan na. Nagkakabukingan na. Ayan. Ayan, alright. Ito yung The Sun. Sun, no? Ayan, The Sun. Okay. Itong binabanggit na niya rito.
Have you seen any evidence of
Yeah.
non-human visitors to Earth?
Well, he gave classified information. He's not supposed to be doing that. You know?
So aliens are real.
Well, I don't know if they're real or not. I can tell you, he gave classified information. He's not supposed to be doing that. He made a big mistake. He took it out of classified information. No, I don't have an opinion on it. I never talk about it. A lot of people do. A lot of people believe it. Do you believe it, Peter?
The president can declassify anything that he wants to. So
Well,
if you
maybe I'll
want to
get
make
him out
an
of trouble.
announcement,
I may get him out of trouble by declassifying.
we know.
Ayan, so yan. Ang binabanggit niya rito, kasi dun sa may interview kay former President Barack Obama eh. Di know kung ito, may pe-play natin to. Ito, may interview siya rito eh. Former President Barack Obama said he believes aliens are real. Yun ang binabanggit niya. Gusto ko makita yung interview kay Barack Obama. Sandali lang. Very interesting. Pati yung Washington Examiner, kinuha rin yung news about Trump. Trump orders release of files related to aliens and UFOs, citing tremendous interest. Okay. All right. Okay, another one. Reuters, even Reuters, inilabas din yung balitang ito. Yung wires na, ito to, Reuters. Ayan, Reuters. Ayan, kung nakita ninyo. Trump orders release of, ano to? Tama. Of all U.S. records related to the disappearance of aviation, pati yung kay Earhart, no? Aviation pioneer. Di ba ano rito na sa pelikula rin? Yung kay Earhart, Amelia Earhart, who vanished while attempting a round-the-world flight in 1937. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said the mystery surrounding Earhart's final flight was captivated millions. Ayun. Pati rin siya. Across the Atlantic. Siya yung nag-solo flight sa Atlantic. Alright. Binabanggit niya rito, baka raw pang ni Trump, no? Trump's sudden focus on the decades-old mystery comes as he faces growing criticism for withholding documents related to disgraced financier and convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. Ayan. Well, sabihin natin na gusto lang i-divert niya Trump, pero the good news is, especially sa mga ufologists, sa mga sumusbaybay about extraterrestrial encounters and alien life and UFO sightings, at least ilalabas na. Aabangan natin yun. Yun ang aabangan natin, no, diba? Okay, so yun ang binabanggit, baka raw dinadivert niya eh. Euronews.com, sabi dito, Trump orders release of Epstein files. Sa Epstein files tayo. Pumasok tayo sa Epstein files. Ayan. Ito. Sa Facebook naman ito lumabas. Sky News Australia. Yun. Sky News Australia, sabi niya.
I may get him out of trouble by declassifying.
Okay. Papakita ko sa inyo tayo. para alam din ninyo, makita rin natin. Okay. So, yan po So, abangan po ninyo yan sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Ngayong Sabado, 10 to 11 p.m. sa DZRH. Hihingi rin tayo ng mga reaction sa ating mga kaibigan na nakatutok din sa ganitong usapin tungkol sa UFOs, UAPs, alien encounters, extraterrestrial life. Mapag-usapan natin sa ating programa. Very interesting, but of course, ang ano ko lang naman dito, ang suggest lang natin dito, if you don't believe the aliens exist, or UFO sightings exist, or there are UFO encounters, just keep an open mind. Yun lang naman maging bukas lang yung ating kaisipan, and let's just listen ano yung mga information na ating naririnig, and we can watch some documents. Hindi lang ito hearsay ngayon sa mga panahong ito kasi mismong Pangulo na ng Amerika nagsasabi. At dating Pangulo rin ng Amerika si President Barack Obama, and previous mga officials ay nagpapatotoo na meron talagang ganitong existence ng UFOs, ng mga extraterrestrials. So hindi na siya bago, no? Yun ang ano dyan. Okay. So, Trump's alien files.
Unidentified aerial phenomena, that's UAPs and UFOs. Trump today criticized former US President Barack Obama for saying aliens are real, claiming his predecessor has revealed classified information.
Are aliens real?
Yeah.
They're real, but I haven't seen them, and they're
Si
not
Barack
being
Obama.
kept in what is it?
Area 51.
Area 51. There's no underground facility, unless there's this enormous conspiracy, and they hid it from the President of the United States.
Okay.
Well, he gave classified information. He's not supposed to be doing that.
So aliens are real.
Well, I don't know if they're real or not. I can tell you he gave classified information. He's not supposed to be doing that. He made a big mistake.
Well, Barack Obama later clarified he was guessing, stating the chances of being visited by aliens is low, and I saw no evidence during my presidency that extraterrestrials have made contact with us. Really? Interesting. We'll see where that leads us.
Alright, so that's it, mga kababayan. So, we will discuss this information, this issue, together with some friends that are very interested or into this field of ufology and study of the existence of the extraterrestrial life. So, wala nga absent tuwing Sabado sa DZRH Gabi ng Misteryo. Ako ang inyong host, and you can also participate sa discussion na yan, and we will try to answer some questions. I will be doing some interaction with you live via sa live chat ng DZRH News Facebook, and let's try to exchange our opinion, our ideas, our research, our experiences kung meron. Alright? So, 10 to 11 p.m. sa DZRH, tuwing Sabado, Gabi ng Misteryo. Wala nga absent. See you all.
Gabi ng Misteryo.